Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing of a beauty subscription box that I have never tried before and actually had never heard of before until the brand actually reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try it. So this is the NoMakeNoLife subscription box, and it's a Japanese and Korean beauty subscription. You get 8 to 9 products in each monthly box, and I thought it sounded pretty interesting to try. I have really enjoyed the Korean beauty products that I've tried in the past, especially when it comes to skincare, and I don't know, I just thought it would be fun. I usually associate a lot of Asian beauty brands with kind of very innovative, interesting, and like quirky kind of products. They often have a lot of stuff that's really cute. They put some really weird, funky ingredients in their products. I don't know, I just thought it would be a lot of fun to try out and show you guys. So they sent me over their June box, and I have not peeked at what is in here, so I have absolutely no idea, and I figured we could capture my reactions to these things on camera. I have a feeling that most of the packaging is going to be in a language that I cannot even read, so I'm hoping there will be like instructions or explanatory information in English so I can let you guys know what this stuff actually is. Now, before we get into the unboxing, just a little bit of information. This box retails for $35 a month, which does include shipping to the United States. That is pretty up there for a beauty subscription, especially when you consider, you know, you've got Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for like 25, BoxyCharm for 21. This is supposed to have 8 to 9 products in it, whereas those boxes usually have 4 to 5 for their monthly box. So I have no idea like how valuable the products are, what the retail value is supposed to be. It seems to me like you're paying more for the novelty of getting to try beauty products from another country that you normally would not be able to get here very easily. And of course, they do also offer you a discount if you prepay for the subscription. So if you don't go month to month and you buy like 3, 6, 12 months at a time, it does end up being cheaper per month. All right, so enough of the nitty-gritty details and boring things. Let's get into what's inside of this box. All right, so here is what the interior looks like. Really super cute packaging. They have really nice tissue paper in here, wrapping everything up. And then here is a quick peek inside the box. I already am seeing some things that I am very intrigued by and have absolutely no idea what I'm looking at. So let's just dig in. Perfect. Okay, so there is a little booklet in here. So I am assuming that this will tell me things about my box. Yes, perfect. There is information on all of the products in here. I don't see anything in regards to pricing and what anything is actually worth, so that's interesting, but at least I will know what stuff actually is. So the first thing I see in here is this Pick Me, Yours Juicy Bottle Mask, Shea Butter Essence Mask that has a bunch of Asian writing that I don't understand, and 100% at the bottom. So in my little booklet here, it says, we all have those mornings when we just don't want to get out of bed. On those days, give the Juicy Bottle Mask a try to feel refreshed instantly. This mask only needs 10 minutes to be effective and comes in 10 variations, including rice, green tea, aloe vera, and more. So mine looks like the Shea Butter version. So this seems like it will just be a really hydrating mask. And even though it's a foil packet, there seems to be a fair amount of product in here, so I feel like I would probably get more than one use out of this. I do love a good sheet mask. Obviously, this is not a sheet mask as far as I know. Well, maybe it could be. It does feel a little bit hard on the inside, like maybe it is a sheet mask. No, actually, yes, it is. It is a sheet mask. There is a little picture right here of a sheet mask. So that's cool. I don't usually see sheet masks in this kind of packaging, but yeah, I love me a good sheet mask, so now I'm extra excited about this. The next thing that I see in here is this, lip moist oil. Interesting. So this says here, use this glossy lip moist oil when your lips are chapped to make them soft again in no time. In your box comes the color mellow orange or cool lime. So this being green, obviously must be cool lime, which I'm excited about because I love lime, lemon, anything citrusy. So I'm all about this. So let's crack into this bad boy and see what this is actually like. Very teeny tiny, pocket friendly. Let's give it a smell. Oh, that does smell yummy. It's very, very limey. Of course, I'm wearing a freaking matte lipstick today, and I don't want to, like, ruin this. How can I do this? All right, I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take it on my finger and put it on this way because I don't want to like ruin the little applicator. I know that's so weird, but I don't want to get lipstick all over it. Yeah, feels nice, not sticky at all. Got a good slip to it, feels pretty moisturizing. Can't tell that it has much of a taste to it, but it's not unpleasant. So yeah, this seems fun, like a nice kind of thing to just like throw in your purse, so that's pretty cool. And now I have lipstick all over myself. Most excellent. Okay, so this next one looks really bizarre. I have no idea what the heck this is. Okay, can we just take a moment? What am I looking at? Do we have a best guess, guys? It looks like there's some kind of like ponytail holder, I think. On the back here, it does have some images of some really cute little characters putting these into their hair. And on the front here, actually, this little chick here, she's got these maybe to create curls and waves. So that's kind of interesting. Maybe these are things like you sleep in to make your hair curly, which as you guys can see, my hair does not like to do ever. It's as straight as a dang stick, but I would be open to sleeping in rollers to get myself some nice voluminous waves. So this is the Lucky Trendy Hair Curler Set. It says, do you want a wavy hairdo? Give the Lucky Trendy Hair Curler Set a try. Check the tutorial on page 9 to find out how to use. Oh, perfect, because I would probably have no idea what I was doing otherwise. So I'll show you guys here. This is the tutorial page. So it looks like you essentially open them up and then you wrap the hair around it, and then it kind of secures into a circle, and then you can kind of just let it hang out that way. So I assume you probably could sleep in them, and it says here you can apply heat with a blow dryer for about 5 minutes. So you could just probably dry your hair and then, you know, put a little heat on it when it's wrapped up in the curlers, or maybe you could let it air dry in it and then blow it out. I'll have to experiment and see what I can come up with, but I feel like these would be pretty fun to play with. So next I'm seeing a little eyeliner here. This says Oh My Line, and I can't see any brand information on here. Oh, no, wait, Etude House, which I have heard of before, but I've never tried any products from. So this is the Etude House Oh My, like M apostrophe E-Y-E, yeah, see what they did there? Oh My Eye Line Liquid Eyeliner, and it doesn't really say much about it aside from the fact that it has a fine tip. You can use it to create a cat eye shape, so let's see. All right, so this is like a traditional liquid liner. It's not a felt tip pen. It's got like a standard brush. It looks pretty super fine. Let's give it a little swatcheroo. Seems pretty black and pretty nice. It's got a good glide to it. So I'll be curious to see how it dries down and if it's pretty smudge proof or budge proof. Of course, I just put lip oil all over the back of my hand, so I don't know how well it's gonna stick on that, but we'll see. We'll see how it dries down. I'll let it just chill out here for a bit. All right, moving on. What is next in here? All right, so next I've got this cute little box. There's a little girl on here with a flower in her mouth. This looks like another lip product. This is the Chuni Water Lip Tint Balm. Y'all know how I feel about lip balms. Can never have too many. So this says it's the raspberry scent. Does it have a smell though? It's not really like raspberries. It doesn't smell bad. I don't know what that smells like. And the color is pretty bright red. Let's see how it swatches. So it's actually pretty sheer, definitely a very summery color. And this is what I would expect, or what I think of when I think of like Asian beauty lip products, especially. You see a lot of that popsicle lip stains, things that are very sheer, the sheer ombre kind of look. So that seems pretty much exactly what this is. But again, it seems like the kind of thing that you could easily like throw into your purse, throw into your bag, and just kind of enjoy on the go. That's really easy to reapply. So this says the Chuni Water Lip Tint Balm comes in several cute colors and gives your lips the best hydration with shea butter, jojoba seed oil, sweet almond oil, and grapeseed oil. And then it says, what color did you get? Got raspberry, apparently. So it sounds really nice that it's supposed to be super hydrating. I like the ingredients that are in there. They're all really good for your lips. So I think this is really cute and something that I actually will get some use out of. Okay, what in the heck? Okay, I have a little pair of lips in here. So this says Angel Heart on it, and it's a little pair of lips. It looks like a little compact. Oh, cute. So yeah, this has some kind of cream product on the inside. I have no idea. Doesn't really have much of a scent, so I'm going to assume this is probably like a lip and cheek type stain. It's a pretty color. Let's give it a swatch. So it's pretty sheer, blends out nicely. Has a little bit of a glossy finish, but it's not like too sticky in texture. So yeah, I'm gonna guess this is like a 2-in-1 lip and cheek. I mean, obviously with the lips, I'm gonna assume it can go on your lips, but it seems like the kind of thing you could put on your cheeks as well. And I am correct. Go me. So that is the Angel Heart Cheek, Eye, and Lip Cream. It says it's a pigmented, multifunctional cream that can be used for your lips, cheeks, and eyes. It uses mineral oils to moisturize and is easy to apply with your fingers or a small brush and comes in several different colors. So I don't know how I feel about it having mineral oil in it, but as long as it's not gonna like really clog my pores or break me out, I would probably be okay with it. So yeah, I will give this a try. I feel like this is the kind of product I would wear on a day where I was just kind of wearing like a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. If I just wanted to add a little flush to my cheeks that kind of lit from within, kind of glow, kind of color, I feel like this is the kind of product that would be really nice for it. It did blend out really nice, and it's not feeling super sticky now that it's been on my skin for a bit, so that is promising. And I have 2 things left in here. Okay, and this one is a hair product or a hair thing, and actually, I think I know what this is, and I'm really excited. I am a cat. I don't know why, but I have wanted one of these freaking little cat ear headbands for the longest time. I just haven't gone out and purchased one yet. I think they're so freaking stinking cute. So this definitely excites me. So this is another one from Etude House. It's the My Beauty Tool Eddie hairband. So it looks like I think everybody gets the white one with the cat ears, which I've seen similar things to this with like Mimi Box and other sort of Asian or Korean beauty type boxes, brands, etc. But yeah, I'm very excited to have this little guy. I think this is stinking cute, and I will totally use this when I'm washing my face at night. Okay, and then the last product that's in my box is this guy right here. So this says hair cream on it, and that's the only thing I can read, and there are some flowers on here that look pretty, but yeah, the rest of this is entirely in either Japanese or Korean. I don't really know. But my little book here says this is the Oshima Tsubaki hair cream. Say goodbye to bad hair days. The Oshima Tsubaki hair cream uses Japanese camellia oil to deeply moisturize your hair, leaving it looking shiny, smooth, and healthy. So sweet, you can use it on damp or on dry hair, and apparently camellia oil is the Japanese woman's secret to beautiful, healthy hair. I've also seen that ingredient in skincare too. This is a really big bottle, so I feel like you get a lot in here. Let me open it up and see what it smells like. Yeah, it doesn't really seem to have much of a scent to it at all, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. I'd rather have no scent than a bad scent. Yeah, it smells kind of just like plastic bottle. Feels kind of thick. I'd be a little afraid to put this in my dry hair or like too much of it because I don't want it to like weigh my hair down, but it definitely feels like will provide a fair amount of hydration. Maybe a tad bit on the greasy side, but we'll have to see. I'll definitely have to test it out in my wet hair. All right, guys, so that was everything that was inside of my No Make No Life box. Definitely some cute things, some fun little lip products. Do I think it's worth $35? It's kind of hard to say yes when I know that my BoxyCharm box is $21 a month and I'm getting 4 to 5 full-sized high-end products. A lot of these things to me, they're cute, but they don't seem like luxury products. Like they seem like the kinds of things that might be $10 or less. So, you know, getting 8 to 9 of them, I'm sure that you're getting at least $35 worth of stuff. I mean, like I know I've seen headbands similar to this at Ulta for $6. Let's even say the sheet mask here is like, I don't know, $3 or $4. This could be like $10 right here. So from like a practical standpoint, I don't think you're getting a ton of bang for your buck and that you're getting some insane deal. You're basically getting to try some fun, cool products, probably at about the cost you would spend if you were to actually go to Japan or Korea and buy them, except you don't actually have to go to Japan or Korea, and you know, the shipping of everything is included. So honestly, this is the kind of thing that's more about having the fun of it and getting to try out products from a different culture that you may not have tried otherwise. So I don't think it's necessarily going to be the subscription for everyone, but I do think it's kind of fun. If you guys are interested in getting your own No Make No Life box and or want to see what's coming in the July box, I will put a link to sign up in the description box down below. They did say to me that it would be a like commission-based link, so if you guys choose to sign up, I would get a small percentage of commissions or like some kind of like a flat rate, couple dollars per subscription kind of a deal. If you don't want to do that, please don't feel like you have to. But if you're watching this unboxing right now and you're like, that looks like so much fun, I need to get my hands on that, and you want to use my link, Sweet. So yeah, I definitely love to hear your thoughts on this box. Would you try a subscription like this? Have you tried a subscription like this before? What do you think of it? Are you a big fan of Korean and Japanese beauty products? Do you have any favorites that you recommend? Definitely leave a comment and let me know. And if you enjoy random fun unboxings like this one, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I always appreciate your guys' support so much. So yeah, I will definitely keep you guys posted as I have a chance to like try these products out more. If I really like anything, I'll be sure to let you guys know in my beauty report, or if I really don't like anything, same deal. But yeah, on that note, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.